It's pretty special to be able to win something like that in that kind of environment, at SEMA. Hi, I'm Jim Ring. We won Battle of Builders in 2019 with a car called Valkyrja. We got approached by a gentleman from overseas and was looking to build a '69 Camaro, and we really wanted to step outside the box, and he had the means to do it, so we decided to build him a full carbon fiber '69 Camaro. Obviously we've been going to SEMA for many years and watching people involved in the Battle of Builders, as we were. I think we were in it several times. We were always the bridesmaid and never the bride. So it was actually a really exciting year for us when we decided to take this Camaro and be a part of Battle of Builders in 2019 and actually come out and win the thing.
You can see it still retains a '69 feel. The pattern of the carbon done with an angle weave is kind of carried out through the car. The car is all carbon, you just chose certain areas to expose it.
The winner of the 6th annual SEMA Battle of the Builders is Jim and Mike Ring with their '69 Chevy Camaro.
Pretty exciting, like I said, we've been there quite a few times, never having that opportunity, and it was pretty exciting to actually pull it off finally and win it in that kind of environment, at SEMA. We were being recognized for what we were doing. We've got a great group of people here that put their whole heart and soul into it, and it's actually fun to actually come out on top and prove that you can build this kind of stuff. Honestly, the Battle of Builders is great, and it's great for a lot of the people that don't have all these opportunities. They get to show up at SEMA, be a part of a great event, and get noticed, and basically hang out with the guys that are building the best of the best. And I'll tell you what, if I was a young guy and I had skills and was building cars, that's where I'd show it. Be nice to everybody. You never know who walks up to you. You never know by their dress or by their demeanor. So I've learned a long time ago, be nice to everybody, and it usually pays off.